No more blurry low quality photos. I want to share with you the best AI photo enhancer app, Remini versus Gigapixel AI photo enhancer comparison. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you are fine. Request for new subscribe. This app multiple times reviewed on my channel regarding video enhancer, photo enhancer, AI filters and AI photos, and most probably for the video enhancer. And I compared with multiple apps and the softwares as well. The Remini is really consistent and reliable photo enhancer so far. Reviewing from the Android, but this time I'm using the Remini iOS version. The photo enhancement is the same as it is, no difference at all. Besides the AI photo enhancer and video enhancer, some few features or the categories here on the app which is not available on Android. You can see here we have vast library of AI filters compared to Android, as well as we have feature available which is called AI video gallery, which is not available on Android as for now. All the photos turned into videos. Overall video quality looks amazing and really promising. I also tried it out once somehow and the quality is great, I think so. Photo enhancer is really fast. Processing time is only 5 seconds. You can see here the details recovered by the Remini is brilliant, no doubt. You can check out the before and after preview or the comparison by using slider. And we have some options also here after the processing: background blur, colors, background enhancement, as well as we have filters available. Let me show you one by one. But you can see here the details or the all facial features really close to natural. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Let's check out one by one the background blur option. We have three options: low, medium or the high one. I'm going to disable it. And then we have some colors available by default. You can check out or simply disable it as well. After that, we have some background enhancement available. This is good if your video has a lot of artifacts or the noise. You can check it out. Some options available for the face, and I suggest you go with the default option because this is the best one, I think so. Remini app review in detail a few days ago on my channel. All the features, I will leave the link is in the description. You can check it out. For save, you can click on the top right side arrow button. This will show you one ad before saving to your gallery. Moving on the next photo enhancer, Gigapixel AI. I downloaded these AI models multiple times but ended up by turn off internet or Wi-Fi connection and then again click on download button. This app will redirect you to its home interface. Various AI enhancement options here in the recent update. I review Gigapixel AI a few days ago on my channel. If you're interested, check out the video I will suggest you to watch and I explain once this app crash by click on the faces model how to use this app. I will drop the card on the top right side. We don't have any credits as for now. You can enhance up to 10 photos free of cost. History feature is still here. Once I click on the faces model, this app will crash. You have to turn off your Wi-Fi or data connection and then click on download button. This app will redirect you to its home interface. In the general enhance, we have the productivity and the creativity two options available. In all the AI models here, we have an option for the creativity. You can choose the settings according to your preference. This is not available in the Remini. When it comes to the manual tools or the options, Gigapixel is one step ahead and the best. I really liked it. In the Remini case, we don't have any option at all. Everything is automatic. And I think so. This is for the professionals, Gigapixel, and this tool is really helpful. I think so. No ads at all compared to Remini. Remini will show you two ads at least for the one photo enhancement. In the general, we have an option for the low and extreme and high quality of enhancements. I explained in my last review video of the Gigapixel AI. You can check it out. This time I try out the sharpen model. You can see here the details he covered by the Gigapixel AI Note. Really short compared to the Remini, but really close to natural. Words I really liked and really important to me. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Now I'm going to try another models as well. general enhancement as well as the restore. As you can see here, two models right now processing the same image. In the meantime, let me show you the general model. We have productivity and creativity, and I explained all of this in one of my last video. Make sure to check it out to know how it's work. And this is the best option, general enhancement. In the general enhancement, you can see here before and after comparison. Details is amazing, no doubt, but on the face level, you can see here we have something texture, artificial texture, which is not appear or at all here in the original photo. Another enhancement is here, another model which is called the restore, and I have a lot of expectations here. It's fulfilled my expectations, I think so. The photo looks really natural to original photo. Enhancement effect is really good in the restore model. Let me show you the side-by-side comparison Remini versus Gigapixel AI. Remini is really consistent across all the photos. Pixelation is still here in the Remini, changing the eyes overall as you can see here compared to original photo. When it comes to the Gigapixel restore the details very close to natural, just like original, and overall photo looks really great compared to the Remini. This type of videos takes a lot of effort and time to create. Make sure to subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon with the new video.